You may remember this cool breeze that I got a while back, which is essentially a rebadged wind chaser. Here's the original motor. Took this out since it was a bit too underpowered for the fan. And so you may remember that Edison box fan I got today. I got it for the motor. And I was able to retrofit it into this fan. Although I had to modify the frame a bit so that it would accommodate the larger size. But anyway, here we go in high. And they run much better now. Medium. Here we are with low. Medium again. Then high once again. It's a lot more powerful now than I did with the original motor. Thankfully, the original motor worked just like a charm. And now I have a super powered cool breeze.